Hey, what's up guys? It's Gene with Dent Repair Now. Ran into a quirky problem on a Dodge Challenger today, and I wanted to share it with you in case it helps you if you run into that quirky problem. So we were doing some hail repair. We had the interior headliner out, trim loosened and moved. I put the car back together and did our post scan, and it was coming up with an RF antenna code, which leads you to like a search for fobs. The trunk would not stay latched. You'd latch it and then it would pop open, and you'd latch it and it would pop open no matter what. Through tons of digging on the internet, way over an hour of my time today, I figured it out that it's an RF antenna. Well, they're all over the place. It's sort of a known issue with Chryslers. I guess they're not locking the clips all the way in. Let me show you where this antenna was, where my problem was. I believe there's one in the driver's quarter panel as well, and perhaps under the rear bumper. Anyways, simple fix once you realize what the problem is. Until you do though, it's kind of goofy. So come on over here and take a look behind the panel. I'll show you what it was and how simple it was to fix. Panel trim right here. I was able to sneak in. See this little plug right there in the middle of the screen? That plug with the two orange cords. Let's see if I can reach it on camera. Right here. This little bad guy came unplugged. I don't know if it got bumped, what it was. This unplugged that creates that RF code that we found on our post scan. Won't let you latch it, creates all kinds of problems. Make sure it's plugged in. In my research, it sounds like there are 3 or 4 of these throughout the car. That's where this one was. That was my problem. I hope that solves your problem if you run into it. See you on the next video.